80 column punch card, which would go in there. That would slide up like that, and then you would type in code which would punch holes in there, and that would be one line of computer code.
One line of computer code.
One line.
So how old, how many years ago this was done, sir?
Well, I was at college in 78.
1978. Yeah.
And that's how that's one line of computer program. So you punched away, you wrote your program on paper, you punched it in, you learnt the code. I know the code. So just one line of code. And if you punched a hole wrong, got a pencil, picked up one of the chads and filled it in.
Okay.
And hope nobody did that. Then you sent that up in a great big pack. It would be, your program would be that, could be a box full.
So
that's one program.
One program.
And you sent that up and it went into a card reader like that.
Okay. So
and then it would come back with errors, obviously. So the next day you would pick up your printout. Oh dear, correct it, send it back in. That's how you program.
So this is a history of the computers.
That's right.
And where I started, this is around 1970s. The computers and how it works. So
that's right.
Can you show those discs as well?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Well, then it went on.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So.
I went on to this. Magnetic tape.
This is a magnetic tape.
Yeah.
This is tapes.
And that would go on a great big tape reader, run through, and that's where all your data would be stored.
That's how the data stored. The computers. Now we're doing everything by the phones and
that then was replaced with that, which is a.
So it's a disc.
It's a disc pack.
Disc pack. So
about, I'd say there's about 100 megabyte. There's megabytes.
Megabytes.
Yeah, 100 megabytes.
100 megabytes,
yeah.
Approximately.
Yeah. And on your phone now, you have gigabytes.
Gigabytes. Yeah.
That's right. You feel how heavy that is.
Can you see one of those?
No, that's it. It stays like that.
It stays like that.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So. That's all 100 megabyte. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's how big it is.
Yeah. And you see, you pick your phone up, no problem. Hold it in your pocket. You feel how heavy that is.
Yeah. Wow! Oh my goodness! It's around 7-8 kilograms there.
Yeah, that's it.
And the disc only.
Yeah, the disc only.
Yeah.
And that. Get that flipping massive machine. It's not terrible. And that was state of the art. That was absolute state of the art. Anyway.
Are you the electrical engineer? Oh, sorry, computer engineer.
I was in the computer.
Software.
Yeah.
Software or hardware?
Both. A bit of both, actually. Yeah. Yeah. I've worked in quite a lot of different jobs.
Okay.
Anyway,